Sometimes you wish to vary the buffer distance by characteristics of the feature. An example here is a network of streams, some of which are a designated trout stream, some of which are tributaries, and some of which are not designated trout streams. So you see the designated trout stream here, the main branch is in a dark, thick blue. A non-designated trout stream is in this brown, and the intermediate designated trout stream tributary is in a thinner but still blue. You might wish to buffer variable distance around these because I'm most interested in, for example, land use or cutting or other activities near the trout stream, and I'm more interested in the main stem, although I am still interested in this stem close to it, the small designated ones. So I have a data table, and I've added a variable distance buffer width, and I call it buffer width here, and it's 0 for the non-designated trout streams or tributaries. But if I go down, I find that for the main stem, it's 150 meters, and it's 75 meters, the units of the data layer for the designated trout stream tributaries. And I wish to apply that in the vector buffer, so I'll go back to vector, geoprocessing tools, and pick buffer. And in that buffer, rather than specify a distance, I can left-click here and show that I want to use a field to specify the width. And so I'll pick this buffer width field that I created earlier and then run it. Again, I'm going to make sure I've dissolved the results. I'll keep the defaults for the rest, and I'm going to again create a temporary layer. And if I run it, I can see then that it creates this buffer where there is 0 buffer around the non-designated trout stream, a narrower buffer of 75 meters around the tributaries, and then a larger buffer around the main stem. Now again, as with before, if I open the attribute table, I'm seeing it's creating a multi-part shape, and there are several different distinct features here. I have these multiple polygons, and it's only creating one row in the table. So if I want to treat these separately later on, I have to do the multi-part to single part.